The journey from separation to oneness. On this journey, we gain knowledge of our source and our relationship with it. You can refer to this source as God, the Creator, or the universe. We will eventually experience more happiness in our lives if we have a better understanding of this journey and what we must do to improve our growth. Awareness of our fundamental unity brings about an endless sense of freedom and joy. First, there is a strong identification with the body and the mind. The body's safety, comfort, well-being, and maintenance are the major concerns. We think and act in a competitive, winning manner, holding other people accountable for our miseries and issues in our lives. We seem to always be having problems and get irritated about the tiniest things. Feeling different and apart from others is driven by a wrong perspective. There are frequent conflicts regarding personality and opinion differences in our relationships with other people. Fragility and separation describe this initial stage of our development. We then broaden our understanding and acknowledge that we are more than just physical beings with thinking minds. When we are farther away from the people in our close circle of care, we experience a stronger connection to and empathy for others. By practicing mental modesty and upholding the core principles of life, we can begin the journey toward inner serenity. The purpose of existence is to pursue enjoyable sensory experiences. Values like honesty, modesty, kindness, self-control, patience, forgiving, acceptance, compassion. Many philosophical concerns about God, the meaning of existence, and how to attain happiness and put an end to suffering come to mind. We become aware that our journey is to look for a higher purpose in life. Through prayer, silence, thought, and meditation, we communicate with God, or the Source. As we proceed, our perception deepens and we begin to realize that since the Source created this universe, it also has to exist in it. It has to be in each of us as it is in everything. We start to sense God's influence in our lives. Rediscovering the self and seeing the interconnectedness of all life is the ultimate aim of the entire journey. We rediscover that we are not apart from or a component of the whole, but rather the whole itself. What more could you possibly need or seek once you realize that you are inherently connected to everything and everyone around you? We progress in this way from despair and separation to the utmost joy and the fundamental unity of existence. A way to experience this oneness is through meditation. If you want to know more about meditation, you can visit the link in the description.